back to my channel. I'm Manisha. Today's video is gonna be about how to do makeup for beginners. Let's get started. Before you start applying makeup, it's important to prep your skin. Start with a clean face and spray a hydrating mist. Then apply a moisturizer. This will help your makeup go on smoother and last longer. I'm using illuminating moisturizer which will give my skin hydration and shine. If you have a dry skin, use a hydrating primer, and if you have a oily skin, use a oil-free primer. If you have any blemishes or dark circle, it's time to cover them up with concealer or corrector. If you have light blemishes, go with one shade darker than skin tone concealer. If you have very dark blemishes, then go with orange corrector. As you can see, I don't have a lot of blemishes, so I'm going with dark concealer. I'm applying a small amount of concealer to the area that need coverage and blending it with sponge. You can use foundation or a concealer. It doesn't matter. Now it's foundation time. Start by applying a small amount of foundation and blend it into your skin with blender. Make sure to blend it evenly. Here I'm just checking the foundation shade that I made by mixing two foundation. Now it's time to add some color back to your face with some blush. I'm taking a small amount and applying it on the apple of the cheek and blending it outward towards my hairline. To make sure my foundation stays in place all day, I'm gonna set it with loose powder. Before applying eyeshadow, we have to apply concealer as a base and set it with loose powder. I'm starting with a dark brown eyeshadow, placing it on the outer V and blending it towards the inner corner, and also diffusing the outer V. Blend it until it has a smoky finish. I'm using flat brush to apply frost on the inner corner. You can also use light eyeshadow for a matte finish. To define my eyes even further, I'm gonna draw a wing. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick. Finally, I'm gonna end this look with mascara and highlighter. I'm applying highlighter on my cheekbones, forehead, nose bridge and chin. And that's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.